Okay, so now let's do the exercise. Actually, very, very simple. So my suggestion is that using the topic of interest, maybe from the very first lecture, try to use define some keywords and use this quote concept and quote concept, blah, blah, blah. So that you can have something like this. For example, here I have something like family and finance something and firm and business. And I think I didn't mention that in the last video, but the quotes are important because the quotes mean that it has to be in there. If you don't have the quote, it will bring something similar, like the algorithm will think about something similar to family. So if it's not exactly family, but something like family, it will appear. But if you write the quotes, then it will only bring things that have family, exactly family. So that's why you have to be careful with how you write. So try something like that with the quotes and write down how many articles did you find with that thing. Let's see, I don't know, maybe if you get like 150, 120, well, that's great because you are close to the healthy number that I think, and again, it's just my suggestion, but it can be more, it can be less, but I think 100 is okay. And then try to assess the quality of at least 5 journals. 5 articles. Of course, based on this idea of checking if the journal is in Scopus or not. So try this exercise. How do you feel about it? Did you end up with 250,000 papers at the beginning? If that's the case, how do you think you can manage? If that is the case, what you can do is then start with the ones with more citations, or quickly read them and pick up the ones that are more important and try to finish with a list of 80 or something. And remember, you don't have to read the whole paper. You just have to screen it and put it in the Excel. So I think this is the end of this exercise.